I'm currently short in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have trading here, starting top down on the daily chart. We can see that Bitcoin is showing sell side delivery here, and my trade setup is a short trade here off the daily. As you can see, there's a short arrow here, the trade that I took on Monday. Also, you may notice that my account is a bit different in this update, as this account is in USDT here. So as I've been adjusting to my new system, I've used another account just to back up the things that I'm doing, just in a smaller size. And if there are trades that, for risk management purposes, I'm uncomfortable with in the larger account, I will try them in this account. And then sometimes I just forget to trade this account because my setup in the other account is my main focus. But this morning, with the economic data that came out at 8:30 and at 10 a.m. New York or Eastern Standard Time, the amount of volatility in the market and the fact that I have been in a position here on the 1 hour chart here, have been in this position since the afternoon, since yesterday afternoon, and then coming into this morning. So anytime I have a position that fails to reach target within the session or the next, gives me cause for concern. And in this instance, price pulled back and stopped me out of this trade in this account and the trade in the main account. And then in addition to that, I was reluctant to take or at least the trade failed, but then actually set up again. And I was cautious, or too cautious, to take the trade in my main account, but did take it in this smaller account here. And I'll walk you through my trade concept on that particular trade in this live stream edition here. So again, the daily chart, I'm in a longer term trade looking to sweep out the sell side liquidity resting below this swing low right here on the daily chart. So I would anticipate either tomorrow, sometime between Friday and Sunday, for that trade to reach take profit, if at all. But since then, if we come here on the hourly chart, you get this candle coming in here, sweeping out this buy side liquidity here. So I use this as my stop loss here. Took an entry here on this pullback, and then looking to take profit down here at this level where there's sell side liquidity resting below these near equal lows here. So I got an entry. You can see price delivered to the sell side, consolidated, and then getting this buy side delivery here. And in this area, that's where I was swept out initially. And then that'll bring your attention here to the 5 minute, where you're seeing price redeliver here to the buy side, putting in a high, higher low, lower high, lower low, and then putting in higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then putting in this lower low. I added here, and then price pulled back, stopped me out of all of the positions that I was in, the position that I took the previous day, and these new positions here. And these new positions were taken because I had an Ethereum trade and they got stopped out of. So these were some revenge involved in this, but not the best idea. As you can see, price swept me out here. But then price puts in this engulfing candle here on the 5 minute. Price puts this engulfing candle here on the 5 minute, and then the following candle creates a change in the state of delivery here, creating a bullish or a bearish order block right here. So this is my bearish order block, and then you can see price consolidates, tests, and then starts to deliver to the sell side. I believe this is what is it? think it's it's not the encroachment because that's the fair value gap. But yeah, there's I forgot the name for it right now, but when price reaches the halfway point of the order block. So I think it's with fair value gap is consequential encroachment, but with these, I think it's something with the mean, but the name escapes me at the moment. But price does trade back into the order block, at least to the 50% level, before price starts to redeliver here to the sell side. And then you can see, or I took the position here. I took this position prematurely here, and then this position was taken properly after a candle closed below this change in the state of delivery level. And then you can see price here start to deliver to the sell side, and then I was able to take profit down here, which on the 1 hour actually that belongs up here. There. So taking this position here on the 1 hour chart. So the entry here, and then the exit here as price trades into the sell side liquidity, resting below these relatively equal lows here. Then for a look at my trade history, you can see this. This is the Ethereum trade that failed here. So this is minus, let's call it 17 here. And then here's the failed Bitcoin trade with the additions. So up here, this would be 22. These two positions here, I'm going to call these 11 each. And then this would be another 20 minus another 20. But then this is the position here that I was able to take profit in here. And then this comes up to, what is that, 120, 130. So this comes up to plus 134. And the total of the negative here comes up to, what is this, 39, so let's call it 40. So a loss of $60. But a profit of $134 here. So all in all, a positive day, as this would absorb this loss here. So risk management and having a trading system that delivers, having a trading system that delivers at a higher probability really takes the ability to be consistent, or at least it does the work for you. So being able to lose $60, so that would be what is that, 74. So that would be a plus 74 up on the day. So I'll take that. I'm currently still sitting in this longer position here, and currently realized or unrealized 37 BTC or 37 USDT here. And we'll see how the rest of the price action delivers here until potentially reaching the swing low here on the daily chart. and I'll keep an eye on this account and the main account to keep track of my stats on my current trading system. But based on what I'm seeing in this area of price action here on the 5 minute, I can take a second attempt at a trade if I get swept out of the first attempt, is what I'm seeing. So I, in the future, will test this in the main account. But for risk management purposes, I only wanted to risk it in this account, because if I lost everything in this account, I'd be okay. The main account, I want to keep it, to grow it, to pay for things, or just to live. So having a secondary account, as I'm getting used to this new system that's starting to work well for me, takes the pressure off of having to experiment with my main account. And I can say it's a relieving feeling. But if you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Stay on tilt, never emotional. We'll see you next time.